Inflammation. It's a word we often hear when talking about injuries, illness, or pain. But what exactly is inflammation and why does it happen? Let's break it down simply. Inflammation is your body's natural alarm system. When something goes wrong, like a cut, a bruise, or even stress, your body switches into protection mode. The goal? To defend, repair, and restore balance. The process starts the instant your tissues are damaged. Tiny sensors in your body detect that something isn't right. They send chemical signals to your immune system, calling for help. Blood vessels near the injury widen, increasing blood flow to the area. That's why you might see redness or feel warmth. Your body is sending in its repair team. Next, special immune cells called white blood cells rush to the scene. They have one mission: clean up the mess. They remove damaged cells, fight off bacteria, and start laying the groundwork for healing. This stage can cause swelling, tenderness, and sometimes pain, but those sensations are actually good signs. They mean your body is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. As the immune cells do their job, they release molecules called cytokines. These act like messengers, coordinating the response, telling some cells to clean, others to build, and others to calm things down when the work is done. It's a highly organized process, even if it feels uncomfortable. There are two main types of inflammation: acute and chronic. Acute inflammation happens suddenly, like when you sprain your ankle or get a paper cut. It's short-term and part of healthy healing. Once the repair is complete, your body turns off the inflammation signals and things return to normal. Chronic inflammation, though, is different. It's what happens when the body's alarm system doesn't switch off properly. Instead of helping, it starts to cause harm. Over time, this ongoing low-level inflammation can contribute to problems like arthritis, heart disease, or even fatigue. So how can we help our bodies manage inflammation the right way? It starts with lifestyle. Eating whole, nutrient-rich foods gives your body the tools it needs to recover. Prioritizing sleep and stress management keeps your immune system balanced. Gentle movement, like walking or stretching, promotes circulation and helps inflammation resolve more efficiently. The key takeaway: inflammation isn't your enemy. It's your body's built-in repair mechanism, a sign that healing is underway. But like any powerful system, it needs balance. Too much can cause damage, and too little can slow recovery. So the next time you notice swelling or redness after an injury, remember, that's your body's way of saying, "I've got this." With the right care and patience, inflammation sets the stage for one of nature's greatest miracles: healing.